Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we are exploring Santiago Canyon, and we're gonna see how far we can make it up the trail. If the peak is open, we're gonna try to go to the top. We just had some weather today, and so sometimes they close down the trail if there's a little bit of weather. And on my way in, I could see it was pretty cloud covered, and there was actually some snow up there. So I don't know what to expect from when I hear this is a really easy trail. But I really wanted to get out of the house today and do some exploring, so this is the most local off-road trail to where I live in Orange County, California. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the trail, check it out, and we'll see you guys out there. We'll see what we find. It seemed like such a beautiful day to get on the trail, but if you've been following along, you know by now, weather has turned on me before. Surely, we were bound for an adventure. Just a little bit into the trail, but I wanted to get out, check out this lookout point over the canyon. You guys will look-see. I gotta say, this is really a beautiful day for this. The ground's still a little bit wet, so now that we're on dirt, we're hitting a little bit of mud, which is kind of fun. Like I said, this is a really easy trail so far. Just a nice day to kind of be out and explore, so I'll take you guys along for the ride. So far it looks like it's cleared up a little bit up towards the top, so we'll see what we find when we get up there. I haven't run into any gate closures so far, so we're gonna keep going. So we're getting a little high up here. I did do a recording on my other camera outside the truck, but I don't think you guys are gonna hear a word I said, and so that's probably why you're seeing this clip instead. The winds are pretty strong up here. Got a little bit more than I bargained for on this trail. Obviously that's a weather condition thing, and that can happen anytime you're hitting some higher elevations. I think we're getting pretty close to about 5,000 feet, so almost a mile up here. I'll definitely make sure I show some other clips, but from inside the truck right now, you can see that the wind is coming in really hard. The summit is definitely cloud covered, and I don't know if you can see it from this camera angle, but there's lots of snow up there. I've been passing lots of snow on the way up, lots of mud. I'm not gonna push it too crazy. I'm gonna explore a little bit further and see what we get to. But I don't have much recovery equipment with me, and there's a lot of mud, and so I don't want to get some kind of mud pit that I can't get myself out of on my own, and so I just don't want to push my luck. So we're pretty close to the summit, so I am going to push on just a little bit further, but you know, we'll see where we get. So far, and this has been a really fun afternoon getting out here. It's crazy. It was sunny and nice and warm down by my house earlier this afternoon. You go a couple thousand feet up and it's a whole nother story. And so it's been a lot of fun just kind of exploring the area, getting a little mud on the tires. And so this was definitely a surprise. I definitely got more than I bargained for, and that's a good thing. I've been really enjoying this afternoon. And so I'll continue to take you guys along. We will push on a little bit further, but we also might be heading back pretty soon, just depending on what we come across. Visibility is pretty low anyways, so we'll see. We'll go from there. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but now it's snowing. It's really light. It's kind of like ice crystals, like mixing between snow and hail. But that's coming down right now, and visibility is changing rapidly, and so I don't know if I'm going to continue on. Yeah, that wind's really picking up. I don't know if I'm going to continue on. It became clear that the conditions were getting worse, so I decided to get back in the truck and head back down to a lower elevation. The summit was going to have to wait for another day. Kind of hang out for a bit. Once I got back behind that initial hill right here, had a little bit more wind protection, and so it wasn't as bad. The wind was really strong up there, so I just wanted to head down a little bit, but taking a moment just to kind of soak it in and enjoy the moment. This doesn't happen very often around this area. Saddleback's a pretty low elevation mountain, so it's about 5,000 feet or so. I don't know exactly. But it doesn't get snow around here very much in Orange County, so I just wanted to kind of take a moment and enjoy it, because I'm going to get back home and it's probably going to be sunny and back to the city life. So just really going to take a moment and just have a good time up here. Now in the warmth of the car, we'll continue on. I think it's good to go out with expectations, but with an understanding that sometimes things aren't going to go according to plan. And that's okay. Sometimes the unexpected makes for a great adventure. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you out there.